Hello everyone, good time to all of you. Hope you all are fit and fine. Today I will describe Kuakata Sea Beach. Kuakata is a town of Patuakhali located in southern Bangladesh, known for its panoramic sea beach. Kuakata is a Sunday expanse 18 kilometers long and 3 kilometers wide. From the beach, one can have an unobstructed view of both sunrise and sunset over the Bay of Bengal. Basically, it's tourist spot. The town Kuakata has sea beach named Kuakata Beach. Many tourists visit the place to the beach over it has an international recognition like Cox's Bazar Beach, but it is popular in Bangladesh. There are many places tourists visit, such as Kuakata National Park, Kuakata Eco Park, Forest of Phatra, Well of Kuakata, Shima Buddhist Mandir, Rakhine Keranipara, Alipura Port, Misripara Buddhist Mandir, and Forest of Gangamati. Many different players visit this area. The main thing is be sure rent a car or rickshaw or motorcycle the before day go to the sea sunrise. So that's why obviously preparation before day and morning time taking action. So that's why you always plan here. Basically 4 a.m. all visitors was this situation like sunrise. So that's why very difficult morning time rent a car or rent a motorcycle. So that's all. Thank you so much. Next another video.